In this video, I'm gonna show you how to capitalize all letters in MS Word. So as we can see in this document, all letters are small. If you want to capitalize all letters together in once, so press Ctrl A. So select all by pressing Ctrl A. Then you need to click here, change case. Now here you will see option uppercase. So select it. That's it. Now we can see all letters are capital. So very simple, just select your text, then in home tab click here, this is the symbol for change case, and click on this drop down, then select uppercase. Thanks for watching this video.